In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access notifications and control center. Then click on app notifications and select sort by. Now click on the best option for you. I will go with number of notifications. When you're ready, just click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable them, like Google. You can always switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always just click on your app instead. And then manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to show notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!